Heal your neck with this 10-minute energy healing meditation. I'm your host, Vijay Kailash, and this is a Coherent Art Project, where we use energy healing to heal our bodies and heal the world and manifest realities we wish to experience. Now, if you're ready for this meditation, gently hit that subscribe button, and you may close your eyes, and I will guide you through this meditation. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, relaxing your body. Take a deep breath in. And relax as you exhale. And one more time, take a deep breath in. And exhale as you relax your body. And relax. Now let's clear our energy channels. Inhale from the bottom of your feet into your heart. And inhale, pulling this energy from the earth up your legs and into your heart. And hold this energy. And exhale as you push this energy through the top of your head into the cosmos, clearing any blocked energies you may have. Feeling this energy flow through you from the bottom of your feet to your heart to the top of your head. And now let's reverse this. Inhale from the cosmos to the top of your head and into your heart. And exhale as you push this energy down your body, down your feet, as it leaves into Mother Earth. Feel this energy flow through you. Releasing any energies that did not serve you. Now as this energy flows through you, gently bring your attention to your heart. Feel your energy in your heart. Feel it vibrate. Feel the loving light energy in your heart. And relax your body. Now bring your attention to your brain. Feel this energy in your brain. Feel this energy vibrate. Now feel your heart. Now feel your brain. Now synchronize these two energies together. Feel your heart and your brain synchronizing as one as you relax your body. Now open up your crown and let this divine energy flow in from the cosmos to the top of your head, making its way down to your heart, amplified by your heart and brain energy. Feeling this energy drip down your arms, your elbows, your hands, and into your palms. Now feel this energy in your palms. From the cosmos, but amplified by your heart and your brain. Feel this energy in your hands. Now gently move your hands to the part of your neck that hurts. You do not need to touch your neck. Simply lay your hands in the affected area as you feel this energy flowing in from your crown, amplified by your heart and your brain. Letting this energy flow freely through your hands. And relax your body as this energy flows through. And feel this energy flowing through your arms, your hands, your palms. You may feel some warmth on your neck. If it's too uncomfortable, you may leave your hands on your lap and visualize the healing energy on your neck. Now gently bring your attention back and let's ground ourselves. Breathe in from the cosmos to the top of your head and into your heart. And exhale, pushing all this energy down your body to the bottom of your feet. And feel this energy that does not serve you as it leaves your body. If you need more time, you may choose to lay down. When you're ready, you may gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and you may open your eyes. Comment below, how was your experience? How does your neck feel? How was it before and after? Any suggestions? And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more.